In this video, we'll show you what to do if the Wi-Fi option has disappeared all of a sudden from your Dell laptop. So to fix this, first go to the search menu and then type in services. Now select the first result that appears. In the services window, you will need to scroll down and then find this WLAN auto config service. Simply right click on it and then select properties. Now here make sure that the startup type is set to automatic and make sure that the service is running. If it's not running, simply click on start. After that, select apply followed by OK. Now go ahead and restart your Dell laptop and see if the Wi-Fi comes back. If it doesn't, right click on the start icon and this time go to device manager. Now here you will need to expand network adapters. Now here you should see your Wi-Fi driver, that is the MediaTek Wi-Fi driver. It may be a different driver, but look for the Wi-Fi name. Now simply right click on the Wi-Fi driver and this time select disable device. Now select yes to confirm. After that, right click on the driver again and then select enable device. After that, see if the Wi-Fi works. However, if you still experience problems, right click on the Wi-Fi driver and this time select uninstall device. Now tick this particular checkbox and then click on uninstall again. After that, simply go ahead and restart your Dell laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if you still experience problems, you need to make sure that you haven't accidentally disabled the Wi-Fi feature on your Dell laptop. So on some Dell laptop, you may see a key with this wireless icon. It's usually printed on the print screen or the home key. If your Dell laptop has such a key, simply press it together with the FN key and your issue should be resolved. Finally, if nothing else works, you need to access the BIOS menu on your Dell laptop. You can do this by repeatedly pressing the F2 key while your laptop is booting up. Then go to the power management tab. Here you will need to uncheck both these checkboxes, that is Control WLAN and then Control WWAN. Once you have done this, simply save your changes and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.